In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a photo in Chatgpt, an incredibly useful tool for getting more interactive responses from the AI platform. Whether you're looking to share a relevant image along with your queries or need specific insights based on a photo, this guide will walk you through the easy steps to do just that. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Chatgpt website. This seems straightforward, but it's always a good idea to ensure your browser is updated to avoid any unforeseen glitches along the way. So simply type in the URL in the address bar and hit enter, and soon you'll be on the Chatgpt homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar interface with the message bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where most of your interactions with Chatgpt happen. Now focus your attention on the message bar, and you'll see a small plus icon right next to it. Go ahead and click on that icon. By clicking this, you're opening up additional options that let you attach files and photos to your text requests. After clicking the plus icon, a small menu will drop down with a couple of choices, and among those, you'll find an option that says Upload Photos and Files. This is exactly what we need, so proceed by selecting this option. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you the opportunity to browse through your computer files. Now, the time has come to select the photo you'd like to upload. Navigate through your folders, find the image that you want Chatgpt to analyze or discuss, and select it. You usually click open or double click to finalize your selection, and the photo will upload to the message area. Once the photo has been selected, you'll need to wait for a thumbnail preview of your image to appear on your screen. This might take a moment depending on your internet connection strength and the size of the file. Seeing this thumbnail is your confirmation that the photo has been successfully attached and is ready to be sent. With the image now in place, the next step is to type in your question or instruction right in the message bar. This can be anything related to the image you've uploaded or any other inquiry you have for the AI. Make sure your message is clear and concise to facilitate a better response from Chatgpt. Finally, you're ready to send the image and your message off. Simply hit the send button or press enter on your keyboard. Chatgpt will then process your image alongside your text and provide you with a response based accordingly. This is particularly useful for more contextual interactions with the AI and can often lead to some insightful and detailed answers. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to upload a photo in Chatgpt. By following these steps, you'll enhance your interactions with this model, making them more dynamic and responsive. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting.